Got a call down in the quarry. Got an excavator, a broken bucket. Go check it out. Some beautiful rock in there. Bass Creek Stony Boat Farm. Nice crack coming in around the shank on that one, and then got a nice one all the way around on here. Nice size machine, Deere. Shouldn't be too bad. Got it brushed down so you can see it a little better, but hit this track coming all the way down here, up and around, down in there. That's that side. This side's a little worse over here. Coming off in here, down and around. Splitting open down in here pretty good. Take our torches, grinder, we'll get this all gouged out, opened up, fill it in, and should be set. Well, it happens a lot. Pulling off on these shelves, trying to get these big boulders down. So let's get to it. We'll get all these cuts blown open like that, down to the bottoms of the cracks with the torch, and then clean it up with the grinder, get it all nice and beveled up, and then we'll be welding them up. Well, we found the dirt that the last guy never cleaned out. Got this side all cut out. We'll get it cleaned up. Splitting some slabs down. I'll come over to this side now. All this shit in here. Down in here. Alright. Got everything cut out. Here and around here. Down the back side. Now we'll grind it up and clean it up and get some rods burnt in. Getting all these ground out. About 165 amp Bobcat 225 8-inch rod. Got this side all filled in. Next we'll cap it, 5/32, 70/18. That's what we did earlier. Put a nice cap on it now. That bucket's done, or this tooth. Hop over to this mess. Filling in this other side. Everything else is already on set. Sun's coming down though, so be out here soon. Next day back. Had to skip Thanksgiving, but we're gonna get over here to this truck, get this bucket, finish welding it up. Pretty much all done with it on one side. It's got to run a cap bead on one part of it. And then the other side needs some love. There now, we're gonna get this all heated up with the torch. Finish filling all this in. This side's all done. All filled in there. Came around the front, finished this down here. Now we just gotta do the side right here. Get around all this. Should get out of here. It's a little wet this morning. 225 Bobcat. Nice shelf right here. Alright, so we just finished up this other side. Should be good to go. Got that other side all filled in. All down here in the front here. Should be good. We're gonna try her in third.
Hell yeah, buddy.